Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the daily vocab session. In this session, we discuss 5 words daily, which are important for exams like SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO, CDS, IBPS, railways, defense exams, and all other different competitive exams. This session is also very helpful for those who want to improve their vocabulary. So, without wasting much time, let's start the session. Our first word is obsession. Obsession means an idea or thought that continually preoccupies or intrudes on a person's mind. So obsession कोई भी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपके या फिर किसी के दिमाग पे कंटिन्यूसली चलती रहती है, दिमाग में बार बार वो चीज़ चलती रहती है और लाइक एक सनक टाइप की है जो उस चीज़ से उस थॉट से दिमाग जो है घिरा रहता है. That is known as obsession. Similar words are preoccupation, fixation, and passion. So let's look at the examples. Our first example is celebrities live a life of wealth and fame, which seems to create an obsession by some of their fans who want to have lives just like them. So here obsession conveys the same meaning, like preoccupation or like passion. Our next example is her obsession with shopping caused Sally to spend her life savings in a matter of few months, leading to excessive debt and then bankruptcy. So here also obsession means एक तरह का पागलपन, एक तरह की सनक या फिर एक तरह की ऐसी आदत जो दिमाग पे चढ़ी रहती है. So our second word is itinerant. It means a person who travels from place to place. कोई भी ऐसा इंसान जो प्लेस टू प्लेस घूमता रहता है, लाइक एक जगह टिकता नहीं है, लाइक नोमैडिक टाइप का इंसान है. दैट इज़ नोन एज दैट पर्सन इज़ नोन एज इटिनेरेंट. सो सिमिलर वर्ड्स आर वन हु इज़ ट्रैवलिंग, pre-patriotic, and wandering. Let's look at the examples. The documentary follows the life of an itinerant homeless man who never sleeps in a location more than once. So here we are talking about documentary which follows the life of an person who is an itinerant, who doesn't stay at one place for a longer time or more than once. So our next example is Jim loves the itinerant lifestyle of a musician because of the opportunities he has to travel from city to city. So here also itinerant means a kind of lifestyle which includes traveling from place to place. Our third word is convict. Convict means declare someone to be guilty of a criminal offense by the verdict of a jury or the decision of a judge in a court of law. So ये किसी को दोषी ठहराए जाने की जो प्रोसेस है उसको बोलते हैं कॉन्विक्ट, किसी को दोषी ठहराना. सो सिमिलर वर्ड्स आर क्रिमिनल. Let's look at the use, how we use the word convict. The innocent defendant couldn't believe that judge would convict him of a crime he never committed. So here the convict conveys the meaning that he the innocent defendant wasn't expecting so that a judge would convict him for a crime. वो इस तरह से थोड़ा शॉक में था, थोड़ा सा बिलीव नहीं कर पाया कि उसे जज ने दोषी ठहरा दिया. So our next example is the only way the jury can convict someone of a crime is if there is a reasonable evidence to prove that they did it. So here also convict means किसी को दोषी ठहराया तभी जा सकता है जब उसके खिलाफ या फिर उस दोष को प्रूव करने के लिए एक रीजनेबल एविडेंस अवेलेबल हो. Our next word is ostentation, which means the pretentious or showy display of wealth and luxury designed to impress. So ये ostentation का सीधा मतलब ये है कि शो ऑफ करने वाला नेचर जो होता है किसी का, या शो ऑफ करना, दैट इज़ ostentation. थोड़ा पॉम्पस बिहेवियर की देखो मेरे पास ये है, like show off करना, that is known as ostentation. Let's look at the examples how we use ostentation or ostentatious. I tried to tell Mary her fur coat was a bit too ostentatious to be worn at a funeral. So here someone is like convincing and trying to tell Mary that the coat that she was to wear in the funeral was like little ostentatious, थोड़ा शोई नेचर का है, थोड़ा दिखावटी है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा शोई नेचर का है एक फ्यूनरल पर पहनने के लिए. Our next example is because Sarah puts up at least 2,000 Christmas lights each year, she always has the most ostentatious decorations in our neighborhood. So here सारा जो है अपने घर के आसपास 2000 के लगभग लाइट्स लगाती हैं ड्यूरिंग द क्रिसमस. सो उनका घर कुछ अलग ही दिखता है, कुछ ज़्यादा ही शो ऑफ वाला दिखता है. ओके, हियर द ostentatious conveys this meaning. And our last word is torpid. Torpid means mentally or physically inactive. कोई भी चीज़ जो physically या mentally inactive है, that is known as torpid. So similar words are inactive, lethargic, sluggish or inert. Let's look at the examples. My torpid brother rests on the couch all day. So here the torpid conveys the meaning of like inactive brother or lazy brother, rest on the couch all day. The next example is according to the preference settings, the laptop will go to sleep when it has been torpid for 5 minutes. So here torpid means like inactive, like laptop will go to sleep when it has been inactive for 5 minutes. So that's the correct meaning of torpid. So we have discussed 5 words today. Let's have a quick revision over them before ending this session. The first word that we discussed was obsession. Obsession means a preoccupation of a thought or an idea. Itinerant means a person who travels from place to place. Convict means declare someone to be guilty of criminal offense by the verdict of a jury. And our next word was ostentation, which means like the pretentious or showy display of wealth, being pompous. And our last word was torpid, which means mentally or physically inactive or lethargic. So that's it for today, guys. If you have liked the session, it's good. If you haven't, please like the session and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel for the regular updates. We upload these daily vocab session daily. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.